Consonant K. The letter K stands for the k sound you hear at the beginning of koala. Two other words that start with the letter K are key and kite. This is an uppercase K. This is a lowercase k. This is how to write the uppercase letter K. Straight down, go back to the top. Slant in, slant out. This is how to write the lowercase letter K. Straight down, slant in, slant out. It's your turn.